Giki nikio kiumia gia kere kia mirurungano iria iratongorio ni mutongoria wa AZIMIO Raila Odinga, wanangi wa INDO hamwe na kurwo kwa mioyo arimo marari maumirira ma mirurungano ya muthenya wa ira. Kiama kia mawakiri BURURIINI LSK rugikiorota ruhonge rwa borithi ni kugonderera wira-ini wao wa kugitira mioyo oro hamwe na indo cia muingi. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro, President wa KIAMA GIKI ERIK THEURI augite ni kihoto kia muingi kururungana na ho kwamukira ugitiri kuringana na gatiba. Riu THEURI akĩmenereria maabitha na kiria augite ni marathutukania ikundi imwe mirurungano-ini ino.
Events that we have witnessed in the last day demonstrate that if the police do not rise up to their constitutional duty of providing security to all, that this country can easily slide into anarchy.
Thutha wa mugunda wa family ya uria wari President Uhuru Kenyatta mwena wa Northlands gutharikirwo, THEURI augite gutiri maabitha maratumirwo kurigereria uthukagia na wishi. Giki alikionereria ati ruhonge rwa borithi nurere kuruhania na uteti.
The country is unsafe if the police chooses to engage in political activity, and we therefore demand a full statement from the Inspector General of Police as to the circumstances of these attacks and the response that was taken by the National Police Service to these incidents.
Kugina kwa kamiti ya guthingatithia thayo na urumwe NCIC ni shakaite mwerekera uria bururi woete ciiko cia wikinae igikumithio.
There is no one with the monopoly of monopolizing violence, because violence we know can even be purchased, and if that is the case, anyone thinking that they are the only ones who can purchase violence must know that others can do the same. And that is why we say that this adage of an eye for an eye leads the community to be blind.
Mwikaririgite wa kamiti ino Samuel Kobia oho ni oritie atongoria aria mangikorwo na mateta o mothe mamatware igoti-ini handu ha gucogera muingi ngucanio-ini cia KIUTETI.
Laani vikali sana kwa vitendo ya ghasia na kuvamia mali ya kibinafsi na kuharibu mali nyingi na maisha ya wananchi.
Anarchy is not justified no matter the grievance we may have. Our courts and our laws exist to ensure justice is served to all Kenyans without fear or favor.
Muthenya wa ira amwe ya aria maratharikire mugunda wa family ya uria wari President Uhuru Kenyatta ni maraire mahiu kuma mugunda-ini ucio. Mutongoria wa kiama kia usawa kwa wote Mwangi wa Iria akiuga muingi niguo urahuthika gutabania ciiko ici na ho kugayania rurire rwa Gikuyu.
Guthiaga atiri Gikuyu ndi mwire andu mangianjia gucinanira indo ati no ngire kwandu ucine na uyiri acio marekwo guo ri na methaga andu akumarangira itagwo militia bururi ugathii ugwite o mundu na andu akwa kumurangira aya mararwa na aria bururi ugatwika ta Sudan.